If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do so by clicking the button and hit the bell so you will get alert for new videos. So today we're building the question mark box. Ta-da! That it can open and close and is not locked, the lid. Okay, let's get started. So first, we're bringing the question mark at the first piece. Then this one is the side piece with the black line on the top. We close it to the side, click. Okay, and then the other side also clip with this. Remember the black line is on the top. Then we close the cute with the other on the back, the question mark. There we go. And then this is the bottom piece. Goes to the bottom. So now let's do the lid part. This piece with all the holes on it, this is the lid. So we're using these little ones to support it. So if I'm here, we're gonna insert it on the top where it opens the little space. And then we use the other one and also put it on here so they fit perfectly. And again, this one, and then just place it on the top. A little struggle. Let's use another one. Yep. One more. Last one. Yay! There you go. That's the lid. Now you can just simply place on, open, and close. Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you!